Okay, so this is the home screen of 30 Plants, and this is the screen where the real core functionality of the app lives, which is, of course, to be able to keep track of how many plants you've eaten in the current week. So in this video, I'm just going to go through the most basic bits of functionality that 30 Plants has. And to start with, so the first thing this is the first screen that you'll see when you finish the setup questions. And in the middle, the main thing on the screen is just a big long list of all the different plants that are available. And in order to add one to your weekly count, you simply click on one of the items in the list, and then it's going to go blue to indicate that you have selected it. And then once you've selected something, this other little blue button at the bottom is going to appear. So I can unselect it, select it again. This little blue button with the leaf has appeared. And I can click on this button, which is going to give us some different options depending on what you've selected. But the most common button you're going to click is this one here, the little tick that says add to weekly count. So I'm just going to click on that. It spends a few milliseconds loading, and then you can see now that the carrot entry has gone green, which means that we've eaten it this week. It says 1 plant eaten at the top, and this little bar at the top, which was empty before, has slightly filled up a little bit in green, and that's going to gradually fill up as you get towards your target. So yeah, that's the most simple example of how you can use the app. The only other feature that 30 Plants has that I'm going to show in this video is just that you can also select multiple things at the same time, just to save yourself a few clicks. So I'm going to go again. I'm going to say select banana. We're going to select oats as well, and apple. So you can see now that the blue button at the bottom has a little extra indicator to show that we've selected 3 items. We can also see at the top that the bar has filled up with some blue to indicate that this is how much the bar is going to fill up when you set them as having been eaten. So once again, I'm just going to click the little blue button. We've got an additional option this time because we've selected multiple items. So this is just a shortcut to deselect everything, instead of going through and manually clicking everything one by one. But yeah, once again, I'm just going to click add to weekly count. And yeah, once again, you can see that we've now got 4 plants eaten at the top. The bar has filled up a little bit further in green. And now we can see we've got 4 different items that we've eaten. Yeah, so that's the most basic way that you can use 30 Plants. And I'm going to do a few more videos explaining all the other cool things that 30 Plants can do. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there for now. Hope you enjoy using the app, and see you next time.